Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm just giving you a quick 8-month lockup date. So on April 17th, I became officially 8 months locked, and I can't believe I'm already at 8 months, but yeah, I became 8 months locked, and there really is not much of an update to give. I just wanted you to see what my hair is looking like at the 8-month mark. I can definitely say that between the 7th and the 8th month is where I have seen the most growth in my locks, the most maturity in my locks. Like, my locks have become so much more mature, and I'm able to see that now. I used to struggle a lot with these pieces in the front because, you know, they were the loose pieces, and now finally coming into this month, they have started to mature and they're not coming out so much, which is very, very exciting for me because it means that I can stretch out my retwist even more. So with that being said, I did decide to not do a retwist for the whole month of April, and I have a lot of people doing that with me as well, and it's going great so far. Wednesday will be 6 weeks post retwist, and typically that is when I get my next retwist, like every 6 weeks. So this time around, I'm trying to stretch it out as long as possible because I feel like my hair looks great, and actually I'm starting to get used to this look as opposed to the fresh retwist look. But yeah, there's the main update for this month is that my hair has matured more. They just look more like locks. The fullness is real. My locks are super full, and I love it. You can really see how thick they are. An accomplishment for me, or an exciting milestone for me, is I finally am happy with my middle part. I have tried middle parts so many times. Well, not so many, but a few different times throughout my journey, and it never looked right. So I was just like, I'm never gonna like a middle part. I just always do a side part. But I decided to try it the other day, and I'm loving it. Another thing, a couple of weeks ago, I trimmed just the ends of like the front locks, and I can say that I noticed a big difference with that, because it was just like a few ends that were like kind of wavy or just loose curls or whatever. They just were kind of scraggly, and I felt like that was never gonna like anyway, so I just trimmed those ends, and my hair is thriving. So yeah, those are the biggest updates. My hair has matured more. I can successfully do a middle part, and I like how I look with the middle part, and I'm not getting a retwist for as long as possible. I think I am going to at least try to go 8 weeks, but if I can go past 8 weeks, then I'm gonna do that. But that's about it. I just wanted to show you what my hair is looking like in this month, you know, just give my typical monthly updates. And if you notice my shirt, I'm wearing my locked shirt from Johnny J's Apparel. He is on Instagram, definitely go check him out. But I'm going to give you a close-up of what it is looking like, but I am loving it. I'm very excited to see how the following months will go and how much more progression I will see. So I'm going to go ahead and give you a close-up. is all for today's video, you guys. I just wanted to give this quick update. You can let me know down below in the comments how many months locked you are now and how your journey is going. So thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Go click that subscribe button. What you waiting for? Like, just go click it. So yeah, guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye.